In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block country in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know how to stop traffic from specific countries at the edge, which can reduce spam, abuse, or unwanted load before it ever reaches your server. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard and open the site you want to protect. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one from your list. We'll be working inside that site's settings for the rest of this walkthrough. Next, look for the Application Security section in the left-hand menu. This is where Cloudflare groups tools that protect your application at the HTTP layer. Click into it to reveal the security features available for your plan. From there, open the WAF, short for Web Application Firewall. The WAF lets you define precise rules that match traffic based on attributes like country, IP reputation, URI, and more. Then choose what to do when a request matches. Country-based blocking is one of the simplest and most effective use cases. Depending on your plan, you may see a prompt to purchase an add-on before creating custom WAF rules. If you're asked to proceed with a purchase, review the details, confirm the site and billing, and complete the process to unlock the rule builder. Pricing and availability can vary by plan, so take a moment to confirm you're enabling exactly what you need. Once the WAF is available, create a new rule. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later, like block traffic from country. In the rule expression, choose the country attribute as your field. Then select the operator that checks for a match and pick the country you want to block from the drop-down. If you plan to block more than one country, you can add additional conditions, so the rule triggers when any of those countries are detected. For the action, choose block. This instructs Cloudflare to stop matching requests outright, returning an error response before the request reaches your origin. Before saving, quickly review your conditions and action to avoid accidentally blocking legitimate users. If everything looks right, save the rule and make sure it's enabled. The change takes effect almost immediately across Cloudflare's network. To verify, watch your security events in the dashboard and confirm that requests from the selected country are being blocked. If you use a VPN, you can also simulate traffic from that region for a quick spot check. That's it. Your site is now enforcing country-based blocking through Cloudflare's WAF.